Want to make serious money online? You're not alone. Every day, thousands of people are exploring ways to generate income from the comfort of their homes. The allure of financial freedom and the flexibility to work on your own terms is drawing more and more individuals to the digital world. The internet is a goldmine. It's a vast, untapped resource where opportunities are endless. From e-commerce to digital marketing, the potential to create wealth is immense. People are building empires, raking in millions. These success stories are not just fairy tales, they are real people who have harnessed the power of the internet to create thriving businesses. You can too. It's not about luck, it's about strategy. With the right approach, you can carve out your own niche and build a sustainable income stream. Forget get-rich-quick schemes. This is about building something real, something that solves problems, something that provides value. It's about creating products or services that people genuinely need and are willing to pay for. This is about productizing your knowledge. Think about the skills and expertise you have. How can you package that into a product or service that others will find valuable? Think about it. What do you know? What are you good at? Everyone has something unique to offer. Whether it's a skill, a hobby, or specialized knowledge, there's always a way to turn it into a profitable venture. Chances are, someone out there will pay for it. The key is to identify your target audience and understand their needs. Once you do that, you can create products that cater to those needs. Turn your expertise into digital products. Reach a global audience. The beauty of the internet is that it allows you to connect with people from all over the world. Your market is no longer limited by geography. Scale your income beyond your wildest dreams. With the right strategies and tools, you can grow your business exponentially and achieve financial success. The online world is booming. Are you ready to claim your share? The time to act is now. Start building your digital empire today and secure your piece of the pie. Listen up, this is my story, my journey from nothing to something. I wasn't born with a silver spoon. I didn't have any special advantages or connections. No trust fund, no handouts, just a burning desire to make something of myself. I hustled, I learned, I built my way up. I spent countless nights studying, working late, and pushing myself beyond my limits. Years ago, I saw the potential of the internet. It was a new frontier, a place where anyone could build something from scratch. I knew I could build something huge. I had a vision, a dream that I was determined to turn into reality, but I had to start somewhere. I began with what I knew and what I loved. So I did. I took my passion for wine and turned it into Wine Library TV. It was a humble beginning, but it was a start. Then came books, speaking gigs, consulting. Each step was a building block, each opportunity a chance to grow. I was productizing my knowledge, step by step, turning what I knew into products and services that others could benefit from. Fast forward to today. I've built multiple businesses, each one a testament to the power of hard work and vision. I've generated over $108 million in revenue online, a number that still amazes me when I think about it, all because I understood one thing: value equals income. The more value you provide, the more income you generate. Provide value and the money will follow. It's a simple principle, but it's the foundation of everything I've built. My story isn't unique, it's a testament to the power of productizing. If I can do it, so can you. You can achieve this too. With determination, hard work, and a focus on providing value, you can turn your dreams into reality. Let's break it down. What is productizing? Simple. It's taking what you know and turning it into a product someone will pay for. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, coaching programs. These are all examples of digital products. They're accessible, scalable, and profitable. The beauty of productizing, you create it once and it can sell forever. It's passive income at its finest. But more importantly, it's about impact. You're sharing your knowledge, helping others, and getting rewarded for it. Stop underestimating yourself. You have valuable knowledge. Share it with the world and reap the rewards. Section 4. The 3-Step Productizing Blueprint. Your path to profits. In this section, we will guide you through a comprehensive and actionable plan to transform your knowledge and skills into a profitable digital product. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out, this blueprint is designed to help you succeed. Ready to get started? Here's the blueprint. Follow these steps diligently, and you'll be on your way to creating a successful online business. 3 simple steps to turn your knowledge into digital gold. Step 1. Find your niche. This is the foundation of your business. Identifying the right niche is crucial because it determines the direction of your efforts and the audience you will serve. Step 1. Find your niche. What are you passionate about? Passion fuels persistence, and persistence is key to overcoming challenges. Think about what excites you and what you can talk about for hours without getting bored. What do you excel at? Your strengths and skills are your unique selling points. Reflect on your experiences and identify the areas where you have expertise. This will help you stand out in a crowded market. Find the sweet spot where your skills meet market demand. Research your audience. Understand their needs, preferences, and behaviors. This will enable you to tailor your product to meet their expectations and solve their problems effectively. What are their pain points? Identifying the challenges and pain points of your target audience is essential. This will help you create a product that addresses their specific needs and provides real value. How can you help? Think about the solutions you can offer. Your product should be designed to alleviate the pain points of your audience and provide them with tangible benefits. Step 2. Create your digital product. This is where your ideas come to life. Choose a format that aligns with your niche and expertise. The format you choose will depend on the type of content you want to deliver and how your audience prefers to consume information. Choose a format that aligns with your niche and expertise. Consider the strengths of each format and how they can best convey your message. Ebooks are great for in-depth knowledge. They allow you to dive deep into a topic and provide comprehensive information that your audience can refer to at their own pace. Online courses offer structured learning. They are perfect for teaching complex subjects in a step-by-step manner. Templates provide quick solutions. They are ideal for audiences looking for ready-to-use tools and resources. Coaching programs offer personalized guidance. They allow you to work closely with your clients and provide tailored advice and support. Step 3. Build trust and sell. Establish your online presence. This is crucial for attracting and retaining customers. Your online presence is your brand's face to the world, so make sure it reflects your values and expertise. Create valuable content that showcases your expertise. Share your knowledge through blog posts, videos, podcasts, and social media updates. This will help you build credibility and trust with your audience. Build a community around your niche. Engage with your audience through forums, social media groups, and live events. A strong community can provide support, feedback, and word-of-mouth marketing. Use social media, email marketing, and paid advertising to reach your target audience. These tools can help you connect with potential customers and keep them informed about your products and services. Sell your product with confidence and authenticity. Believe in the value of your product and communicate that belief to your audience. Authenticity builds trust and encourages sales. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building a profitable online business. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight. Stay committed, keep learning, and adapt to changes. Your path to profits is a journey, and with the right blueprint, you can achieve your goals. Section 5. Why 2025 is the year of the digital product. The world is changing fast. The internet is no longer a luxury, it's a necessity. People are consuming information and products online like never before. This is the age of the digital product. Think about it. Ebooks are replacing textbooks. Online courses are disrupting traditional education. Coaching programs are booming. The demand for digital products is skyrocketing. And guess what? This is only the beginning. As technology advances, the opportunities for digital product creators will explode. Now is the time to get in the game. Section 6. Your success story starts now. Take action. Stop dreaming about it. Stop making excuses. The only thing holding you back is you. Take action today. Start small. Pick one idea. Create a simple product. Get it out there. You don't need fancy equipment or a huge budget. All you need is passion, commitment, and a willingness to learn. The internet has leveled the playing field. You don't need connections or a college degree to succeed. You just need to hustle. You need to provide value. You need to believe in yourself. Section 7. Ignite your productizing journey, resources, and next steps. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't worry, you're not alone. There are tons of resources available to help you on your productizing journey. Check out online platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Podia. They make it easy to create and sell your digital products. Join online communities of entrepreneurs and creators. Learn from their experiences. Get inspired. Remember, success leaves clues. Study the greats. Model their strategies. But most importantly, find your own voice. Be authentic. Be passionate. Be you. The world is waiting for your unique brilliance. Now go out there and make it happen.